allowing lawyers from marginalized segments of society to prosper and to share in the success story of Tamil Nadu. And I do believe that the true worth of the work which has been done over the last 20 years by the Madurai bench lies precisely in this, that it has allowed the democratization of the legal profession. Therefore, I hope that the erudite and scholarly influence which the Madras High Court has had over the Indian legal landscape also propels it to lead the way in enhancing the dignity and monetary remuneration provided to young lawyers at the bar. Today's youngsters are sharp, hardworking, and hungry for work. Interact with them about their approach towards the law. You will be spellbound by the fresh approach that they bring to the table. All I ask of you is to trust the youngsters at the bar with work and fairly compensate them for their hard work and long hours. Finally, before I conclude, let me say that the Madurai bench may have got the bench of the High Court just 20 years ago. But as Brother Sundaresh, very fondly called by me as Sundar, as Brother Sundaresh said, the first woman lawyer of the world, at least in mythology and Tamil literature, hailed from Madurai 1,500 years ago, 1,500 years ago. It was here in Madurai that Kannagi, the heroine of the great Tamil epic Sillapathikaram, argued her own case before a mighty king and won the case and made the Pandya king lose his life on the very throne from which he delivered wrong judgment. Madurai has not merely been a center for Tamil Sangha and the birthplace of Tamil Sangha literature, but also the seat of gender justice. It is in Madurai that a lady named Goddess Meenakshi rules the kingdom for 4 months and thereafter transfers power to her husband, Lord Sundareshwar. When we were not able to enforce 33.33% reservation for women in the political sphere in the 21st century, Madurai showed the way for women, retaining political power for 1/3 of a year and then transferring power to the king for the remainder of the year. I would say that Madurai is a place where constitutional morality was naturally ingrained in the people. It was here that Jainism flourished during the 2nd to the 4th centuries, along with Saivism, Vaishnavism, and Kaumaram, showing thereby that the people were naturally secular. As we celebrate 2 decades of progress, let us also recommit ourselves to the ideals that have guided us thus far. Let us uphold the highest standards of integrity, impartiality, and fairness. For the young lawyers, I will only say that every corner of your work as lawyers will provide a temptation for you. A temptation to swerve away from the path of integrity, truth, and justice. The breach of integrity, the breach of truth, and the breach in the cause of justice does not take place in very large moments of injustice, but in smaller moments which confront you every moment of your lives. Let us strive to be a beacon of hope for the people of this region. Let us work tirelessly to ensure that justice prevails. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the judges, all the lawyers, the entire court staff for nurturing this bench of the Madras High Court over the years. God bless. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kumar, for the Lordship's vibrant speech.
நமது சென்னை உயர்நீதிமன்ற மதுரை அவர்களுடைய பொறுப்பு நீதியரசர் மாண்புமிகு திரு ஆர். சுரேஷ்குமார் அவர்களை நன்றியுரை நல்க அன்போடு அழைக்கிறோம்.
Expressing gratitude is inbuilt in our culture, having greatest virtues. We now request